Welcome to the dawn of a new era on YouTube, where the realm of artificial intelligence is poised to rewrite the rules of this digital playground. In the impending year of 2024, YouTube has dropped a bombshell. New rules are coming into play, targeting AI-generated content. Each video will now bear the imprint of its AI interactions, with creators required to self-certify their usage of AI. Those who fail to comply risk stepping on a minefield of penalties. But what lies beneath the surface of these new rules? Is this a harbinger of doom, or a beacon of hope? Will AI be the architect of our content, or merely a tool in our creative arsenal? Take VidIQ's AI Coach as an example. It's a guide, a partner in your YouTube journey. But when AI starts scripting dialogues or mimicking characters, the lines blur. The question then arises, where do you fit into this rapidly evolving picture? The silver lining in this cloud of ambiguity is this. If you're grappling with these questions, you're already ahead of the curve. YouTube's changes are designed to safeguard the platform from malicious elements, not to curtail genuine creativity. At the heart of YouTube's strategy lies the principle of protection, from those who misuse the platform, not the innovators. While the upcoming rules may seem like a labyrinth now, soon enough, order will emerge from the chaos, and we're here to guide you through that transition. The debate around AI voices and text-to-speech is heating up, fueled by platforms like TikTok. Will the disclosure of AI usage become the new norm? The jury is still out on this one. Yet with the expanding influence of AI, its label might eventually lose its sting. It's not in YouTube's interest to scrutinize every video for traces of AI. So the worst-case scenario you're envisioning is likely far from the reality that will unfold. And what of the fears around demonetization? It's time to dispel the myths. AI content isn't the villain here. Misleading or harmful AI content is. Remember, YouTube's algorithm, a blend of AI and machine learning, has been curating our viewing experience for years. The viewer's perspective is crucial too. Will they have the option to filter out AI content? This is a complex piece of the AI puzzle, one of many that we need to solve. But one thing is certain. YouTube's landscape is changing, and we need to change along with it. Let's not overlook those subtle AI touches. A green screen image, a spell-checked script. YouTube isn't on a witch hunt for AI usage. Their focus is on tackling the larger issues of deception and misinformation. For channels that educate about AI, transparency will be the watchword. As long as you're upfront about your AI-generated content, YouTube's policies shouldn't hinder your mission. No doubt, you have a myriad of questions swirling in your mind, and truth be told, so do we. But for now, it's important to embrace the change, adapt, and continue to create responsibly. YouTube isn't here to stifle your AI aspirations. They're here to help you navigate this new terrain.